guys, I'm Farrah Brittany with the agency, and today I'm so excited to show you the latest project by renowned designers House of Rolison, a beautiful, timeless, and functional property located in the hills of Studio City. Inside, you're gonna find 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, over 4,800 square feet of airiness, openness, and organic textures, statement lighting, and beautiful finishes throughout. Let's go take a look. First off on the tour is the kitchen. What I really love about this kitchen is that whether you have family lounging over there or you're hosting a party next to the dining room or stepping down into the formal living room, you feel like truly you are in the heart of the home. You have this beautiful viola leather marble backsplash that goes all the way up, the stunning Corcus finish on the cabinetry. And my favorite thing is that there are 2 huge islands. This really creates a more informal dining area where family and friends can gather while the chef is cooking and enjoying the beautiful views. Stepping down into the formal living room, this is the statement piece that you want to show off your friends. It has its own personality with these high ceilings, the custom cedar beams, the stone quarry fireplace that's very hearty. You can enjoy intimate conversations here, but not feel left out from everything else that's happening in the house because it's still connected to the rest of the property. And what it's also connected to is this outdoor balcony, and it's another place to kick back with your friends and continue the conversation outside. So at the bottom of the stairs, we have 3 ensuite bedrooms, very spacious, use them as a kids' rooms, but let's take a look at the primary bedroom. The designers of this home, House of Rolison, really like to build keeping the landscape in mind. So in this primary suite, you feel like you're suspended in nature, you have greenery all around, and when you're sleeping, you wake up and you see the mountains beyond. Another way that they create warmth within this space is adding warm lighting, tonal textures, and it all comes together to create a sense of zen and peace. You can't have a room that's this peaceful, this zen-like, without having a complimentary spa-like bath. From the floor to ceiling marble book match slab, the beautiful soaking tub located right next to the shower, and with all that natural light pouring in, you'll never want to leave. Unless you want to see the lower level, in which case, let's go check it out. So here in the lower level is the perfect flex space to completely create and make your own. Whether that's having it be a guest quarters or an entertaining room, as you can see with a custom bar, wine fridge, and ice maker, it's really up to you to choose how you want to use this room. Even on this lower level, we have an outdoor terrace, balconies, and views, so you have a little bit of separation and privacy from the rest of the home. Well, that wraps our tour today. I really hope you guys enjoyed the views, the privacy, and the bespoke elements by designers House of Rolison, and we'll see you in the next one.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.